Hello everyone, my name is Kaito Sugimoto at the University of Tokyo. In this video, I'll talk about context-aware citation recommendation based on BERT-based by ranker. As the number of published papers is increasing every year, it is becoming more and more difficult to search for papers to cite. Citation recommendation systems aim to solve this problem. The purpose of such systems is to provide scientific papers given some input documents or passages that researchers are writing. Approaches to citation recommendation are categorized into two types, global one and local one. This figure illustrates the differences between the two. As you can see, local citation recommendation must consider citation context in scientific articles. That's why it is also called context-aware citation recommendation. In this paper, we propose a new model for context-aware citation recommendation. Specifically, we consider two different models. The normal model encodes citation context and candidate documents using separate encoders. Both encoders are initialized with SciBERT and fine-tuned on the training set. The global model additionally computes citing articles embedding by using the document encoder. We evaluate our model on three datasets: ACO 600, ACO 200, and RefSeer. ACO 600 have longer citation context than ACO 200. The main results are shown in these tables. Overall, we observe substantial improvements over the three baselines across all datasets. Notably, the global model shows better performance in ACO 200, suggesting that global information is effective, especially when local information is inadequate. Here are the references. Thank you for your listening.